This is my third fire alarm system. This video is mainly a demonstration, but to give you a quick brief, that's the sounder out of my previous fire alarm systems. That's the detector, in fact it's a heat detector, and that is the cool point, or what is in the place of a cool point. It is a light switch. I have not got a cool point or a pull or a T-bar, so I'm using a light switch in replacement of it. The detector has got two LEDs what light up red when it detects and sets the sounder off. You can only see one LED from the view I'm at the moment. There are two ways to set the sounder off. One, by the detector detecting heat, and two, by pressing the switch in replacement of the manual cool point. I will now demonstrate the switch for you in place of the cool point. That was the sounder operated by the switch in place of the manual cool point. And will now demonstrate the operation of the sounder by the heat detector. There are three ways to set the sounder if the detector sets it off: by flicking the switch down and up. That's how I did it just then. By screwing the detector a small bit, like that, or by turning the plug off and on. You may have noticed the sounder went a bit louder when I flicked the switch down. It's because the detector's got a higher resistance than the switch. That's my fire alarm really, and I'll just give you now a view all around it. You got the wires to the sounder, and then the wires to the switch. If you want to know anything, just post me a comment and I'll try and respond to the comment as soon as possible.